Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to use some green onions to make these incredibly delicious, yummy green onion pancakes all from scratch. Super easy, very delicious. Let's get started. The secret to make this savory, crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside pancake is all in the dough making. To make the dough, let's first put in 1¼ cup of flour and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then we're going to scald the flour by adding 3/4 cup of boiling water. Mix it well. Adding boiling water to the flour will change its property and make the dough super soft and pliable. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of room temperature water and then another 1/4 cup of flour to the mixture. If you ask why don't we add this all initially, it's because we want to only partially scald the flour but not all. Mix it well. Use your hand and knead everything into a dough. This will probably take about 2 to 3 minutes. The dough is kind of gooey at this point and your hand will get kind of messy. Now we're going to cover the dough with 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. It will prevent the dough from drying out. The dough is ready and now it's my messy hand. We're going to cover the dough and let it rest for 1 hour. Just before the dough is ready, we can prepare our fillings. We need 3 green onions and then we're going to chop them into really fine pieces. The finer the better because we're going to fill our pancakes with these green onions. Next, we're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour to the melted butter. This butter-flour mixture is what will create the layers and the flakiness of our pancakes. Traditionally, this is done with lard, but butter tastes just as good. Once our dough is ready, let's take it out and divide it into half because we're making 2 green onion pancakes today. Our well-rested dough is soft and stretchy, but it's still a little bit sticky. So we're going to put down 1 teaspoon of cooking oil on our working surface. Now let's roll out our dough. Hopefully you have a rolling pin or something similar. It doesn't need to be too thin, just about double the original size. Later we're going to fill it with green onions. If it's too thin, the green onions may run away. For the filling, we have our chopped up green onion, our butter flour mixture, salt, and one of my favorite spice, ground Sichuan peppercorn. If you don't have any ground Sichuan peppercorn, don't worry about it. I just love the flavor, so I use it for a lot of things. First, we're going to put down about half of our butter flour mixture. Spread it evenly. Next, we're going to sprinkle some salt. And then we're going to sprinkle about half of our green onions. And last, our ground Sichuan peppercorn. Now we're going to roll it up like a towel. Fold it and then tuck the tail underneath. Flatten it with your palms. Use a rolling pin to help you roll it out. Roll it as big as your frying pan because we're going to fry it later. To add more layers to the pancake, you can roll it up one more time. Our first pancake is done. We are going to make our second pancake the same way as the first one. Now we're done with the hard part of making this pancake. Let's move on to the easy part. Frying pan, medium heat, we're going to put down 1 teaspoon of oil. Put down 1 pancake, and then we're just going to flip this pancake like your regular Sunday pancakes. Let the pancake cook about 20 seconds per side and then flip until both sides are golden brown. It takes about 4 to 5 flips per side, about 2 to 3 minutes total for 1 pancake. Super easy, isn't it? I can smell the green onions frying on my stove. And our pancakes are all done. Super buttery, savory, crispy on the outside and chewy, soft on the inside. You can sometimes find these in Chinese restaurants. I normally just cut these with kitchen scissors, like what I do normally with pizza. Thank you for watching. Give it a try. I hope you'll like or subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.